Hello friends, in previous video we have discussed about parametric curve design. Now in this video we are going to learn about Lagrange interpolated curves. So let's start. The main goal of Lagrange interpolation is to create a smooth curve that passes through an ordered group of points which are called control points. The general idea, as with all curve algorithm, is to use the control point to generate parametric equations. The smaller the step size, the more smooth the curve will appear. Step size can be calculated based on the amount of pixels available in the output image. To draw the curve, it is required that step through U at some small amount, drawing straight line between the calculated point. In Lagrange interpolation, to obtain a curve that passes through all the specified control point, the blending function must be defined. Blending function where first control point is passed through at u is equal to -1, second control point passed through u is equal to 0, and the third control point passed through u is equal to 1, and so on. General mathematical expression for this can be represented as u into u minus 1 into u minus 2 up to u into n minus 2, where n is the number of control point. At u is equal to -1, we get this expression will be like this. The Lagrange interpolation blending function defined as by this function. By using blending function, finally the individual functions for coordinate x, y, we get the equations, this for x-axis and this for y-axis, where xi is the x coordinate of the ith control point and yi is the y coordinate of the ith control point. In general, number of control point for n is equal to 4 is considered, and for n is equal to 4 the curve is good between the second and third control point when u lie between 0 and 1, and step through u from 0 to 1 is in small steps, drawing straight line between each. Here you can see the examples of Lagrange interpolated curve. These all are the Lagrange interpolated curve. The last two, this and this, are very rarely used curve in computer graphics. In general, these curves are not used in computer graphics. Now there are few limitations of Lagrange interpolated curve. First is the curve obtained in Lagrange method. It is twist between the control point. Second, to eliminate this twist, we dividing the value of each blending function by the sum of the blending function values before using them, but it arises one more problem. While each section of the curve connect to the next section at a control point, the slopes for the connected curve at the control point may be different. Due to this, result in the ability to have corners at control point. That is, corners are not smooth. The next limitation of Lagrange interpolated curve is that this curve goes outside the convex hull of the control point. Because of these limitations, we have few other curve which can be used in computer graphics, like Bezier curve, B-spline curve. So this is all over the video. Thank you.